Congratulations on getting your 360 virtual tour for your home listing. You are now one of the top real estate agents who are using 360 virtual tours to stand out from the competition. Before we complete your order, there is something very important I need to show you. 360 virtual tours are highly attractive and will attract a lot of buyers. But how do you put your home listing 360 virtual tours in front of lots of home buyers who want to purchase your property? Lucky for you, I have a special one-time offer available just for you. This offer will guarantee that your 360 virtual tour gets seen by a minimum of 5,000 active home buyer prospects. It will allow you to give your home listing maximum exposure by showing it to as many people as possible in as little as 10 to 14 days. Imagine your home listing being placed right in front of over 5,000 people who have shown an interest in that past few days on buying a house. This is what we call holding a digital open house. In a traditional open house, you would be lucky to show your listing to 100 people in a weekend, and you would have to sit for 4 to 5 hours on Saturdays and Sundays just to show your home listing to that many people. Now you will have the ability to hold digital open houses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by exposing your home listing to thousands of home buyers and sending them to your 360 virtual tour to do a virtual open house walkthrough. We make this all happen by creating a Facebook ad campaign that guarantees that your home listing 360 virtual tour is seen by a minimum of 5,000 active home buyers within a 15 to 20 mile radius of your home listing. These are not just any people. Your ads will be shown to people who have shown an interest in buying a house in the past few days of running your ads. Holding digital open houses will explode your home selling results. Here is what you can expect when you grab our digital open house Facebook marketing service. Your home will be seen by a minimum of 5,000 prospective home buyers who live within 15 to 20 mile radius of your home listing using Facebook ads. Massive local branding for your company and for you as the agent. Massive local expert authority. Real leads that include first name, last name, email and phone number to call and follow up with potential buyers on your current property and future listings. Build a huge database of home buyers in your local market to market future listings and sell homes much faster every time you get a new listing. And last but not least, dominate your local market even faster. Using digital open houses will get you all that without the need for you to hold in-person open houses. Only serious high-quality home buyers who have gone through the digital open house will funnel to you for in-person showings, allowing you to spend more time growing your business and having more weekends with your family. The health pandemic has made this home selling method the new normal. This is your chance to not just survive these tough times but absolutely crush your competition and dominate your local market. We are very confident of our marketing abilities that we are willing to offer you a 100% money back guarantee. If your home virtual tour Facebook ad does not get a minimum of 5,000 views, we will give you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. Finally, you can focus on what you love best, which is working with home sellers and home buyers. We take care of the marketing, drive tons of traffic to your home listings. You just follow up with home buyers to sell your home listings fast and for top price. Normally, a campaign like this one would cost you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per campaign. But since you are using us to get a 360 virtual tour, we want to give you a huge discount. Right now, you can guarantee maximum exposure with our digital open house Facebook marketing campaign service for just a one-time price of $297. Please note, this price is only available for the next 30 minutes. Yes, you can always come back to our webpage and order a digital open house Facebook marketing campaign, but you will have to pay our normal price of $397. It is still much less than our competitors, but if you act now, you will get the best deal available. So now that you have nothing to lose, go ahead and click on the Buy Now button on this page and secure your digital open house Facebook marketing campaign for your home listing. We will work with our 360 virtual tour photographers to use pictures and the 360 virtual tour of your home listing and create the Facebook campaign for you as soon as possible. This is exactly how the top 1% of real estate agents are dominating the industry today. For the very first time, we have leveled the playing field by making these services available to you at no-brainer prices. So don't wait. Start your path to becoming your market leader now. Click on the Buy Now button now and secure your special price immediately before the timer hits 0. Thank you, and I wish you massive success.